All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, and as well subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Today I'm going to show you how to see how much screen time that you've currently been using on your phone, your iPhone, okay? This is a new feature that iPhone has just rolled out, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to go to the settings icon, which you can see is on the left-hand corner of my phone right here. Go to the settings icon and it'll bring you to the settings page. Now once you're on the settings page, you're gonna have to scroll down a little bit, okay, until you see screen time. It's right below the do not disturb switch, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on screen time, okay? And right here it says turn on screen time. Right here it says get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set limits for apps that you want to manage. Okay, so right now I'm going to tap on screen time and it brings me up to a screen where it shows like get the insights about your screen time and sets limits for what you want to manage. Pretty much what I wanted, pretty much what I just said. Okay, so once I'm on this, okay, I'm going to tap continue and it gives you a whole bunch of options and you can just go through it. Okay, so this is for my phone. It asks me, is this phone for yourself or your child? Right here I say this is my iPhone, so I select that and it brings up all of this right here. You can go through a lot of things and it will show you what your screen time is and everything like this. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Play around with it, see what you like, and